Hi guys, it's me, and today we're diving into a projector that's all about delivering a big screen experience without making things complicated or expensive. This is the GA828 Full HD Smart Projector, and it's clearly built for anyone who wants a simple way to enjoy movies, shows, and more on a much larger display. Right out of the box, the design feels clean and practical. It's compact enough to fit into almost any space, and light enough to move around whenever needed. Whether you're setting it up in your room, your living area, or even taking it outside for a movie night, it doesn't feel like a hassle. The overall build is solid for its price, and the layout of ports including HDMI, USB, AV, and audio out gives you plenty of flexibility to connect different devices. Now let's get into the actual viewing performance. This projector features native 1920 by 1080 resolution, which means you're getting true full HD visuals instead of something that's just upscaled. That makes a noticeable difference when watching content. The image looks sharper, details stand out more, and even small text appears clearer. It's especially impressive when watching high-quality videos or streaming content. Color performance is quite enjoyable as well. It leans toward vibrant tones, making movies and shows feel more engaging. For the best results, using it in a darker environment really helps bring out the contrast and overall image quality. Brightness is good enough for evening use or rooms with controlled lighting, but like most projectors in this category, it performs best when the lights are dimmed. One of the key features that makes this projector stand out is the built-in Android 9.0 system. This adds a whole new level of convenience. Instead of relying on external devices, you can directly install apps, stream videos, and browse content straight from the projector itself. It's basically an all-in-one entertainment system. The interface is easy to navigate and works well for everyday use, making it beginner-friendly. Wireless screen mirroring is another big plus here. You can connect your smartphone and instantly display your screen without needing cables. This is great for sharing videos, photos, or even presentations. It works with both Android and iOS devices, adding to its overall versatility. When it comes to sound, the built-in speakers are decent for casual viewing. They're clear enough for small spaces, but if you're aiming for a more immersive audio experience, connecting external speakers or a sound system will definitely make a difference. Thankfully, that option is available and easy to set up. Performance is stable for most everyday uses. Streaming apps run smoothly, movies play without issues, and even casual gaming is possible. It's not designed for high-performance gaming, but for relaxed sessions, it works just fine. The inclusion of focus and keystone correction also helps you adjust the image easily, ensuring a proper viewing angle even if placement isn't perfect. Overall, this projector brings together a solid combination of features at a very accessible price point. You're getting true full HD resolution, smart Android functionality, wireless connectivity, and a portable design all in one package. It's a great option for anyone looking to create a home theater setup without spending too much or dealing with complex equipment. If you want to buy this projector, then please visit the link provided in the description. It's a simple upgrade that can completely change how you watch your favorite content. Drop your thoughts below and let me know how you would use this projector in your setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.